You can see that I finished marinate both meat, and that's how you marinate meat. Instead of doing it every time, you can marinate everything, you put it in the freezer. So it depends how long you're gonna use it. If you're gonna use it soon, you put it in the fridge, so you don't have to every time you have to clean meat. I don't appreciate, even I like cooking, but I like my we put some black pepper. I also like my time for myself. I like making it easier. I would say if the meat is already marinated, it's faster than cleaning everything. Like you see, I already have my piece, so I don't need to take some garlic on it, do this, do that. You make it easier for you. We have some basil, some dry basil. So I'm going to do some grocery. I don't have I don't have hot pepper, sweet pepper. I don't have nothing. So I'm coming back. I need those things to boil my meat. Voila, you can see how your meat is ready to cook. It's no longer smelling strong. It's smelling